What's going on, everyone? I'm Corey. Welcome to my channel, Offbeat Motors, and today we're going to be doing an install video of some LED headlight bulbs. Alright, so I did some research, and, well, let me give you a quick backstory, actually. I wanted to look into doing some LED headlights. I didn't want to do a full headlight kit or anything like that, where you got to pull the bumpers, change the headlights, and everything else. So the easier option, obviously, is to go with headlight bulbs themselves. There's a lot of companies out there making them. Some are good, some are bad. So you got to really do your research when you're looking into these. Now, I did some research, and I found what looks to be a good company that's putting out a quality product. I will say right off the bat that you will only find them on Amazon. They have an Amazon store set up. They don't have a website or anything like that. I only found them on Amazon. But what I did find is that they have some pretty damn good reviews. They have, let's see, it's 4.5 stars out of 5, and that was with 3,648 reviews. Now, I did say I did the research, and I did. I paid full price for these. I have not been in contact with this company. They're not sponsoring this or anything. This is all on my own. So you're going to get an honest review of these once these are installed in the car and it's had some time to see what they're like. Now, the car they're going in is my fiance's Chevy Cruze. I want her to be able to see as much as possible at nighttime. She doesn't do a lot of nighttime driving, but when she does, I want it to be as safe as possible for her. So it was very important that I found a good quality product that wasn't going to just burn out in a matter of a month or two. So the company that I found and went with is a company called Cougar Motors. This is the box that they come in. It's a pretty nice box. I will say when you go on, I will have a link below if you're interested. It's not an affiliate link either, nothing like that. And you purchase these all at your own risk. So when you go on to buy them, you're going to need to know what bulb is in your vehicle. When you're looking at it on Amazon, they don't have a lookup guide or anything, so you need to know that. Each one of these is going to be a different price, obviously, because that's how bulbs are. And the particular ones that I got for her car is an H13. It's a high-low beam combination bulb. They are $52.99 plus shipping. So a little pricey, but you're going to get what you pay for, hopefully. At least that's how the age-old saying goes. These bulbs are, let's see, I think they're supposed to last like 5 times longer than the original bulb, so that puts them right about 50,000 hours. Whether that's going to be obtainable or not, we'll know in the future. They put out about 6,000 K, whatever that is. It's not luminescence, so I'm not sure what it is, but it's supposed to have a wider beam, a longer beam, and it's brighter, obviously. So when you get the box and you open it up for the first time, it is a really nice box. It's very well padded. You can see you've got the lights right there. They come with the fans for the heat sinks to keep them cool, because they will run hot. They all do. It's just the nature of the beast with these. And they plug into the factory harness, so there's no wiring involved. And they do come with the inverter, or whatever it is you want, a capacitor, or whatever it is you want to call it. It does come with it, so you don't need to worry about purchasing those separately. I know with like turn signal bulbs and stuff like that, you got to buy resistors separately and put them in line and stuff like that as well. These you don't have to do anything. It's literally a plug-and-play system, and they will connect directly into the headlight using all the factory retentions. So let's get going on getting these installed, and we can do some comparisons, see if they're actually brighter and whatnot, and go from there. Alright, so here's the inside of what the lights look like. Stop right here, and I will do the comparison. they are dead on. Got it from the right side. We can't try to get the... All right, so now let's go back, put the other bulbs in, we'll see what that looks like, and then we'll do the comparison shots. So I already got that one in. Now let's go ahead and get going on this. So what we got to do, you got to take this white piece off right here before you can pull the plug off of the bulb. So, in order to get that off, just reach in here, wiggle it till it comes out, and it's got a little lock right here in the center, which you push with a screwdriver, which I didn't bring with me. So, I just took the key, boop. Don't lose this. That's what holds your plug on. Don't lose it. Set it off to the side. I'm going to put it right in the box so it's safe and sound. Disconnect the bulb to get some stuff out of the way. Disconnect. Oh, that's on there pretty good. There we go. Get the plug out of the way. Simple turn, pull it out. There's your bulb. Set that in the box and make sure you pull the old gasket out. You don't need to go double gasket this, or otherwise you're not going to get the new bulb in, because the new bulb has a new gasket on it. Installation is the reverse. Bring it in here, turn it until it stops. Obviously you're going to have two hands, so it's going to be easier for you. Until it clicks, and we take our lock. So I can put this camera up here so I don't... Let's see if I can do this. Just gonna have to bear with me for a second while I do that. Alright, so there it is. Pop it in, and that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna end up wire tying these up and out of the way, but for right now it'll be okay. But I'm gonna end up wire tying them out of the way so they don't get into anything, but they'll be alright. That's it. I'm just gonna save those bulbs. I'm gonna save those gaskets. That's all there is to it. So there it is inside. Same spot I was at before. Turn the AC off. Alright, same spot I was before. It's definitely lighter, whereas before it was more of a yellowish color. So that's an improvement. I can also see off to the side further. I don't know if the camera's catching that up, but let's go ahead and take a look on the outside. It's definitely brighter. I can tell. I could definitely tell it's brighter. So there it is, looking at head on. Off to the side. and from the top of the car. Now, what I did forget to do is turn the high beams on the last time. So, well, here's the high beams now. Obviously projects out there pretty good. You can see that bush. Alright. Alright, so there it is, guys. Installs, obviously stupid simple. If you can change headlight bulbs, you can put these in, no problem. Price was pretty reasonable, I think, from what I was finding for decent ones. I mean, you could find cheaper ones, but they didn't seem to have as good as reviews. So, so far I'm satisfied with these, but it's going to be interesting to see the longevity of them, to see if they actually hold up to what they claim. And I think that's where the real test is going to be, is how long they're going to be lasting, and if they're still going to stay this bright continuously, which hopefully they should. I mean, they are LEDs and everything, so we'll see. Really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the video. And like I said, if you are interested in these, there will be a link in the description. It is a non-affiliate link. I don't make anything for it. The company's not paying me to do this. Once again, I'm doing this all on my own. I researched it, found them, and decided to purchase them with my own money. I paid full price, everything. So this is truly unbiased opinion here, and I hope you guys found it informative at least. And if you're looking for something like this, so far I'm recommending it. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you follow Offbeat Motors over on Instagram and Twitter. You can find us on those platforms at Offbeat Motors. I'll catch you guys next time around.